Hello and welcome back. It's Helen Godden and you've tuned in for our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. We're up to December 16 and I have rotated the job again, and this is our bottom right hand side poinsettia. This is the petal that's pointing right out at 3 o'clock. Okay, so on this one we're going to go for a cross hatch but with a slight curve, which is going to give us a really lovely curved shape for this petal. And once you decide that curve, just keep repeating it. You could have used a friction pen if you needed to, but otherwise pick your curve and then just stick to it. There we go. And by being the curve, we end up with these lovely diamond shapes, and it does make the petal look like it's got some dimension to it. Kind of looks like the patterning that some people will put on their Christmas ham. Maybe I'm just getting hungry for Christmas. Thanks very much. We're going to see you tomorrow for our next instalment of our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. Looking forward to it. Bye-bye.